Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready and start. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has held that a suspension order against a government employee continues to remain in effect until it is expressly revoked by the competent authority in accordance with Haryana Civil Services bracket punishment and appeal bracket clause rules and Dakshin Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam employees bracket punishment and appeal bracket clause regulations 2019 stop Justice Jagmohan Bansal pursuing Dakshin Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam employees bracket punishment and appeal bracket clause regulations 2019 said that regulation 5 make it clear that once a suspension order is passed it shall continue to remain in force until it is modified or revoked by competent authority stop sub hyphen regulations within bracket 5 and within bracket 7 would become OTOs if it is held that in every case on the expiry of 90 days if departmental proceedings are not initiated the entire proceedings would vitiate stop the plea was filed by an employee of Dakshin Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam who was suspended following his arrest in a corruption case stop counsel for the petitioner argued that he was suspended on 30 October 2024 and as per regulations 5 of Haryana Civil Services bracket punishment and appeal bracket clause rules 2016 read with rule 5 of 2019 regulations order of suspension cannot remain in force beyond 90 days unless it is extended stop per contra the counsel appearing for the respondents submitted that clauses within bracket a within bracket b and within bracket c of regulation 5 within bracket 1 of 2019 regulations are independent from each other stop each clause addresses different factual scenario and is applicable to different situation stop proviso after clause within bracket c of regulation 5 within bracket 1 is applicable to clause within bracket a and within bracket c whereas case of the petitioner is covered by clause within bracket b comma thus comma period of 90 days to initiate departmental proceedings from the date of suspension is not applicable stop after examining the submissions and perusing the regulations the court noted that regulation 5 within bracket 1 of 2019 regulations contemplates three situations each requiring an order to be passed by the competent authority stop sub regulation within bracket 2 contemplates two situations stop there is no need to pass order under sub regulation within bracket 2 stop an employee is deemed to be placed under suspension upon the occurrence of contemplated situation stop justice Bansal highlighted that the petitioner was suspended on account of his arrest by police authorities and his case squarely falls under clause within bracket b of regulation 5 within bracket 1 stop. There is proviso after clause within bracket B which requires that suspended employee shall be bound to mark his presence on all working days in the office where his headquarter is fixed. stop. सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब लीगल एडिटोरियल एंड जनरल। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।